12 impressive health benefits of flax seeds that nobody will tell you. The flax seeds have been highly regarded for their health-inducing qualities for centuries, originating from a Middle East, and they come from a flax plant growing up to 60 centimeters. Today, flax seeds grow worldwide, and in recent years, they are emerging as a superfood since preliminary studies show that they may help to fight heart disease, stroke, diabetics, and breast cancer as well. In the nutrition world, it is considered a staple and it is renowned for its being an excellent resource for a healthy omega-3 fatty acids, lignans and fiber. In today's video, we will share with you the 12 amazing benefits of eating flax seeds. Number 1. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids are essential fatty acids, the good kinds of fats, and are considered heart-friendly, and the flax seeds are a rich source of them. Eating flax seeds is especially necessary if you are a vegetarian or avoid marine products like seafood. A 2010 study by the Canadian Journal of Cardiology showed that the greater use of omega-3 fatty acid is an excellent nutritional therapy that will demonstrate cardiovascular benefits in the long run. To incorporate flax seeds into your daily diet, stir a couple of tablespoons of ground flax seeds to your meal. They taste perfect with your yogurt, smoothies, and soup as well as oatmeal. Number 2. A good source of dietary fiber. Are you eating enough fiber in your diet? Well, according to the recent reports, most adults in the United States are eating half of the recommended amount of fiber, and it's affecting their health badly. Flax seeds can be a savior in such conditions because it contains 6 grams per serving. 2 tablespoons of fiber, that's about 20% of a daily recommended intake for adults. Plus, it's really easy to add into your diet. You can add it in mayonnaise, mustard, or spread on your bread for sandwiches as well. It will give a nutritional boost to your meal and give a crunchy, earthy flavor. Number 3. Prevents constipation. The soluble fiber in the flax seeds dissolves easily in the water and softening stools and increasing gut motility. The insoluble fiber flexes the intestinal walls, triggers contraction, increases the bowel movement, ultimately improves the digestion. Even though both ground and whole flax seeds are highly beneficial, most nutritional experts recommend ground over the whole flax seeds. The ground form is easier to digest while the complete form may pass straight through your intestine, providing a little or no perks. Number 4. Improve heart health. Another hidden powerful of a flax seed is their ability to control the cholesterol levels. A biomarker of a heart disease, a group of diabetic patients consumed 1 tablespoon of flax seeds daily for the 3 months, and the results were an increase in HDL, good cholesterol, and a reduction of LDL, bad cholesterol. Flax seeds have also proven to lower stroke risk. It is due to their ability to produce plant-based fatty acids as an end product. Research by Canadian Science Publishing showed that dietary flax seeds has a cardioprotective effect by improving vascular relaxation responses. Furthermore, omega-3 and flax seeds also contribute to the anti-atherogenic results, anti-inflammatory effects. Number 5. Regulates blood pressure. Eating flax seeds daily for 12 weeks at least and watch miracles. Those already taking the hypertensive medications and adding flax seeds to their daily diet claimed it worked as a catalyst health. Professionals have recommended 3 tablespoons, 30 grams of flax seeds daily for a particular purpose. If you have a sweet tooth, you can add flax seeds in your muffin, cookie, bread, and other batters as well, for a healthy alternative to refined white sugar and flour. Number 6. Improves blood sugar levels. Recently, diabetics, primarily type 2 diabetics, has been among the top health problems in the worldwide. But don't worry, because you can reduce the risk of diabetes by consuming these miracle seeds. The insoluble fiber content of a flax seeds gives it a blood sugar lowering property. It balances digestion and hence the release of glucose into the bloodstream. One more way to consume a flax seeds is to soak them in water to soften the outer layer. This process makes it slightly easier to consume them as they can be added to whole wheat flour and made into delicious flatbreads. Number 7. Helps in the weight management. The flaxseed drink is loved by many for its potential to lose weight. It works for the best on the empty stomach, so consume it right after waking up. Boil a glass of water with a tablespoon of ground flax seeds for a few minutes. Squeeze into a lemon juice and a pinch of cinnamon for taste. Flax seeds are fiber rich, so they can keep you full for longer time and suppress any cravings for unhealthy food. This feature triggers the hormones that control appetite by keeping hunger at low and thus helps you in the weight loss journey. Number 8. Contains a high quality protein. Flax seeds contain 2 grams of protein per tablespoon and serves as a brilliant alternative for vegetarians to obtain their protein. A study by a Journal of Food Science and Technology showed that the flax seeds contain a high level of protein and low carbohydrates, making them an excellent addition to a meal for a weight loss people. The 3 main end products derived from the flax seeds proteins are arginine, aspartic acid, and glutamic acid. The trio plays an essential part in the hormone production. 9 to 30 milligrams per gram. These plant compounds have an antioxidant and estrogen properties. Both of these properties remarkably reduce the risk of cancer and improves health. Postmenopausal women in particularly have greatly benefited from eating flax seeds since observational studies have shown that it reduces the risk of breast cancer due to the estrogen content. Flax seeds have also helped men since the lignans possesses an anti-tumor activity for hormone-sensitive cancers. Number 10. ACEs arthritis. Researchers show that the food containing omega-3 fatty acids can help arthritis symptoms by reducing inflammation. There are over-the-counter capsules of flax seeds oil. Even though they are beneficial for arthritis patients, there is nothing like consuming an organic flax seeds with your daily day meal. Use them like a breadcrumbs or bake them with your granola bars and you will never go back. Number 11. Controls inflammation. Flaxseed oil is intentionally flavorable to help those who are experienced pain because of inflammation. Just 1 tablespoon consists of more than daily value of the inflammation reducing omega-3 fatty acids. Number 12. Reduces hot flashes. Although there has been a limited research, a small observational study showed that the women had halved their hot flashes occurrence by consuming 4 tablespoons of flax seeds daily. Since it also contains estrogen, consuming flax seeds may improve mood and quality of life. This investigation is supported by comparing a postmenopausal woman not receiving estrogen therapy. As you can see, some minor changes in your daily diet can have a significant impacts on your body. As affirmed by the fact that flax seeds are bursting with a nutritional goodness, it is versatile ingredient. You can have it in whole or a ground form or opt for flax seeds oil. So, are you ready to add it in your diet? You can find easily at your nearest store and start benefiting from many perks. Will you start eating flax seeds after watching this video? Let us know in the comment section below. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on my future videos, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Stay healthy.